Hi, friends. I thought it was time to have another conversation. It's been too long. I have not shared my thoughts, or I wanted to talk about this one line which came up yesterday. I was talking to a client, and I was telling them that there is this two lines of a poem which really resonate within me, which say नेकी कर दरियाओं में डालोगे जो अभी कभी तूफानों में कश्तियां बन मिलेंगी वो सभी. So it's such a lovely line. I thought that if you do without expecting a result today, someday when you're really in need, they're going to come back to you multiplied manifold, na. But this person was particularly unhappy with the world around her. That ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है पूजा कि हम ही करते रहें. I don't hurt anyone. I am always very careful about, and I know her personally, and I know it's absolutely the truth that she's considerate, she's kind, she's helpful, she's always ready to lend a ear, or whether it's a time or energy or. But it seems if you look at her life in totality, ऐसे लगता है like she's not got a good deal of it. Like life's not been very kind to her. So then how do you explain it? Because I have no doubts about it that what you give out comes back to you tenfold. So it became so tricky to explain to her कि आप जो कर रहे हो, जो लगता है कि मैं दूसरों के लिए क्यों endlessly अच्छा करते रहो, actually it's a very very selfish, you can look at it in a manner which is very very selfish. Not selfish like a bad point, but कि मैं जो आज कर रही हूँ, it's actually just an investment for my own life. कैसे भाई? Because if there is a bank in which you put in some money, it comes back to you multiplied. So I cannot see the file which is called karma. I cannot see that file up above the world so high in which my rights and wrongs are enlisted. Of not one lifetime, na. There are so many lifetimes. So without getting caught up with why am I doing good in this lifetime? Why must I be a nice little girl? And I'm going to give it back to whoever is nasty to me, or tit for tat is a nice way to be. ठीक है और भी लाइनें हैं, an eye for an eye would make the whole world blind. But sometimes the hurt is so deep. Sometimes the insult is so, piercing that you literally don't want to be kind and soft and giving anymore. नहीं? I think we all must be having a list of such experiences जिनके बाद यूं लगने लगता है कि to hell with it, मुझे नहीं बनना अच्छा. Sorry, fine, label me, call me a bad girl or a bad boy. I'm not going to do it anymore. बहुत हो गया. कितने दिन कोई करता ही रहेगा without getting anything back from the world, back from the universe. So how about we look at it like this? कि पहली बात, we can let go of those memories. There are loads and loads of modalities. Latest being what I was sharing with you, NLP. And to understand that there is this line Ram Verma sir said, he said there are only two kinds of people around us in the world. One set of people is those that are positive, and the other is relative. I found it particularly funny because it's a fact. Maximum bad memories, maximum hurts, maximum things which seem to be holding us back from moving forward in life. हमें लगता है हमें achieve करना है, हमें कुछ चाहिए अपने लिए और नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं, comes from the relatives. So how about one just realizes कि this is normal. This is normal that people are going to pull you down, people are going to try and it's not like they are being vicious purposely, it's literally like कहीं कुछ self esteem सभी की थोड़ी बहुत ठोकरें खाई हुई हैं, and one is just trying to exist and survive and last, and everyone's bottom line in life is happiness. सबकी परिभाषा अलग है, सबकी definitions बहुत हमारे हिसाब से नहीं है, but फिर सही और गलत तो परिभाषा ही हुई ना. My right, your right, somebody else's right, my wrong, my sense of this is good and this is bad, it's just so personal, it's just mine. So if we just learn to coexist, if we just learn to understand that I cannot see that file up there, but what I'm giving out today is like a future investment. It doesn't have to always have to do with what came to me yesterday. Wouldn't the world be a better place? Just a thought. Thank you. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye bye.